So you can import the file from this import button, and this is the animation cache, Alembic cache we have here, and you can import this from here also. So I have got this character which is animated and camera also. So this is the one process you can import your cache, Alembic cache. Another way you can do it from cache and Alembic cache and import cache. So here also you can do the same thing. So what is the difference between both of them? The difference is namespace. It's very important for this Alembic cache workflow. Now see, if I go import here and if I double click on this, so I have got the cache. That's cool. But the problem is, you can see the naming is changed. Alembic cache colon Alembic animated skin cache. The name is changed. So this is a problematic problem for Alembic. But if I do it from here, so you can see animated skin cache is there. So there is no problem with your namespace. So if you want to use this import, so you can do that, but before importing it, you have to use this merge option and use namespace which will be merged into root. So if I import it, you can see the same thing is happening what we have done from here, right? Or else we have another option that you can import this, and if you forget, sometime you can forget that. So import it. If it is happening like that, go to Windows, General Editors, and we have this namespace editor. We have this root animation cache is there, the file name, and in that file we have this animated skin cache. This is the name of the geometry we have here. So this is animation cache. These are like suffix. So you can just delete it and merge with root. So see, we have the same thing which you can do it while importing it, and you can merge it beforehand of your importing process. So this is the basic changes we have for importing Alembic cache. In this area we can see import to scene root. So that means is what it is importing into root file, so automatically it is merged. So if I import this, only this the name of that objects we have in this Alembic cache will be here, not a suffix of Alembic cache, animation cache, animation cache. It will be not there. So if I import it, you can see this is the actual name of that geometry and the render camera we have here. So this is what we have, right? So let me save this, save as, and go for this and mention, save this, close this. So I have got this animation file, and I have got this animation cache. I can put it in a different folder, and I can make another folder like A, B, C, cache, and put it here. So this is a proper way doing this kind of thing, that you will be having lots of cache in your project. So you can make a folder, you can put that cache there and double click on this to see what is happening. We can see that we have this animation cache file, but we cannot see that file. Where is this file? So that means is what, if you are using this Alembic cache and you need to use multiple machines, of course you have to use this. So you have to do the repathing, because this is a cache file, and cache file should be repath while doing this kind of thing. So we have this animation cache node, which is right here. So you can see in the channel box also that we have this animation cache node, and in attribute editor also you can get this path, ABC file path, that where we have got your cache file. So the path is different now because of I have put it in different directory, different folder, right? So what I have to do, you have to select it, go here and new folder, Alembic cache, open, and you'll get a beautiful error that is repathing Alembic node is not supported. Fantastic. So this is not the way that you do regularly, because Alembic is not like that you can import only that cache. This is a geometry with the cache. That means you have to do it a different way. That means is what? That you have to go to this cache and here import Alembic. And now you can see import under current selection. That doesn't mean that you have to select it. If I deselect it, and if I go to your import Alembic, go to import, merge, and merge is very important because of what is happening. I'll tell you that I'm importing this Alembic, and the name of the geometry in that cache file should be matched with these names. So that means is what? That I am not importing the geometry from this, because of it is going to merge with this because of the same name, right? So if I import it, you can see we have got the file. So it's looking like that we have imported the geometry. It's not like that. If this geometry and this camera was there only, because of you can see that thing in outliner. If it is not there, that how can you see that thing in outliner? So it was there, but the path was not clearly defined. Now you can see you have successfully repath your Alembic cache. So if I do one thing, so don't save and import this. Sorry, you have to open the file. So go to desktop and open the file. And now the same problem is happening because of I have not saved it. Now if I do the same thing, but if I change the name, if I press one or anything you can do. So if I go and merge, import it, and merge is there, and Alembic import, now you can see what will happen. The camera is there because of the camera name is not changed. The name changed is happening in this geometry. That is what, this is not at all merged with this, right? So if I delete this and import it again, now we have got this file because of this name is matched and the path is also changed. So this is how we can import your Alembic with a proper naming. Then the naming should not be changed, and if you need to reload your Alembic cache, this import is not going to work because of there is no merge option or reload option, because of this merge is one kind of reloading your Alembic cache. So it's a better way to import this cache file from here, not from here. But you can do that. There is no problem with that. The namespace problem will be there, that you can fix it very easily in two ways that I've showed you, right? So this is the thing that I need to show you, that how you're going to import your Alembic cache in a proper way, and how you're going to get your Alembic cache reloaded if you transferring your files from different folder or from different machines. So this is how you can do that, and you have the animation also, you can see this. So hope you have liked it. Thanks a lot for watching.